Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Ball out! Whoa, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody. Man or woman.
If you do the money, give each people in Jamaica $1 million US in the $10 they keep pushing in pocket.
Let them talk about the tree business where the Prime Minister open in a
$100 million US what them get.
I know it don't have an employee.
And 300 million people. And 300 million people now live in Jamaica and including the citizens 1 million US they can go make life.
Everything you know come about
Finsack.
I want to arch us a Finsack. And that's a lot. Look how much things PMP has to be at pan. What Anto you ever talk about? What Anto always do in the 9 years?
As much people live in Jamaica, 300 million people live out here. And 3.5 people live out here. And you could have given each citizen $1 million US
money 2 times. I said, remember,
they say the boy want to chop up the boy wicked.
Him wicked. We have a wicked Prime Minister.
He want to chop up the wicked. Because each citizen could have get $1 million US and he still have money left. And he take it for himself, should be in his pocket.
Jamaica, Peter Phillips, take Jamaica out of Finsack. So we not owe Finsack no money. At the Jamaica Labour Party and but go ahead back and borrow money from IMF. Members of PMP come.
Check it.
Right, come put back Jamaica in the IMF. Make Jamaica owe IMF right now.
Right. And then do it. We will clear up everything.
And them are going to leave.
Right.
Them are going to leave.
What nonsense is she speaking? What nonsense is she speaking? You're not saying what nonsense she's speaking.
Edward Siaga mash up Finsack when they borrow the 2 big loan and buy the hotels and then when they pay it back in them down. Remember.
No, he can't recall. He cannot recall.
The farmer minister. We're going to IMF now, Finance Minister Nigel Clark borrow money from IMF in a corona time when Antoine is open 3 business. time when the business them have no employee and the business them only the register and nip and paper. No building, nothing to show. Nowhere to show some business and they move money from one entity to the other and money to take out free money, but you see both money gone missing.
So we're out by Duane Park going into 6 Mile, and Island Traffic Authorities out here conducting something, stopping people, checking documents, going underneath the cars of even women to check the tires, right? The last time they did this, they told me my tires were worn on the inside and took my license plate, right? Given the fact that every day we drop into some 6-inch deep potholes, bend up my rim is still bent from last week. And they are here antagonizing citizens about the state of the car when the state of the road is like this. Big operation. Because why? The government need money. Because we the citizens, even though we have to fix our tire, fix our front end every friggin' month, we are now going to have to pay for them to raise money to fix the road too. They do this every time an election cycle is coming up. Every time. And this is 6 Mile. Big operation, you see? Island Traffic Authority. Police. I spent $30,000 on my front end last month. $30,000. Right? When I go buy the 2 front tire them, the man said to me, say, boy, mama, if you buy the back tire them I go eat out because you need a suspension frame. So I say, all right, now the man go under my car for look on it. Right? So we have to go buy the tire and pay government to on top of it. This is what we're facing in Jamaica. Right? From the agents of the state. I thank you. Have yourself a great day. So you want to hear an irony, an absolute irony? I just got a call from my daughter. No, normally I pick up my daughter. Of course, I couldn't pick her up today because the police took my license plates for having a quote-unquote defective tire. So I asked my husband to pick her up for me. My husband, who would have been home quite a while ago, had to make the trek to go pick her up at her college to carry her home for me because I was unable to do it. And you know what happened to him? He fell in a pothole and burst his tire at almost the exact same spot that the police decided to pull me over and take my license plate. Then I no wonder why I say I give up on this place. I am over Jamaica. I've had enough of Jamaica. Because on the one hand, I am being penalized for having a defective tire. So who is going to get penalized for causing my husband now to burst a tire and have to go buy one new one? This is what you call getting a basket to carry water. And that is the constant struggles we face daily in Jamaica. Jamaica don't make no sense. Jamaica don't make sense. It is hopeless. It is useless. It's like we're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere as a country, as a society. So I am now forced to buy tire, pay ticket, and pay examiner. Mind you, my car was re-examined last month. And it was fine at that time, by the way. Right? And now my husband will also have to buy a tire because what? Him burst a tire on a road through no fault of his own. Him drop in one of the 6-inch deep pothole them. The potholes that have been afflicting all of us and costing us so much money. Yet them send out agents of the state, so we have to repair our car, and then them send out the agents of the state now to come terrorize we, Pantapet. Because I honestly feel terrorized. I feel absolutely terrorized. I hate it here.
And may I give a message to Philippian. I'm going to do it respectfully. Madam Philippian, I want to share the live for the one because I want to send a message very much respectfully to Philippian. Philippian, I'm going to ask you this. Please cease and desist from calling my name. I'm going to say it again one more time. More people in the comment section say no here. Please cease and desist from calling my name. Warning again. Philippian, one blogger named Philippian. Wanna hear me a one? Please cease and desist from calling my name. I'm going to say it again. That's the can record now whatever screen recording. Philippian, please cease and desist from calling my name. The amount of phone call you make for my name, I true me no love trouble. All when time the argument I fade out and you are carry the banner with you, you are carry the flag with the argument. I'm going to say to you again, Philippian, because you say you're labor right. That you say, me know me a what? Please cease and desist from calling my name. I would love for you to stop, lady. God no. I would love for you to stop calling my name and let good sense prevail. When I saw me do it peacefully, I would love for you to stop calling my name and let good sense prevail. But the next time, you understand? The next time I have evidence, I'm going to say it again. The next time I have evidence of you, the next time I have evidence of you calling my name, it's not going to be business as usual. The next time I have evidence of you calling my name, it's not going to be business as usual. I'm going to say it again. The next time I have evidence of you calling my name, Philippian, it's not going to be business as usual. So, madam, if we are worshiping the one church and we don't want no argument and make pastor say, we are live bad like church brother and church sister, please cease and desist from calling my name. That's all I ask of you. That's all I ask of you.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey Gabby, what going on?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? It's that time? Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me no say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Make the trumpets play.